This is Biotronix air compression therapy device. As you can see the product, this is digital model 4-chamber lymphedema device, DVT pump, or you can say pneumatic air compression therapy device. Also you can say it sequential compression therapy device. As you can see, the digital panels look like this. This is the device. These are the 4 chambers, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the modes, and this is the touch panel display. You can see, and these are the attachments. You can see the patient has wears the same. This is the leg attachment. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers, and this is the arm attachment. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently machine is in working condition, so you can see that the chamber is filling, inflating and deflating. And this is the second leg attachment, you can see, and this is the waist attachment. You can see 4 chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the carry box, and these are the connecting tubes. The same model comes with the remote control as well as touch panel. You can select the parameter from here, or you can use the remote to select the parameters. So you can see this is the waist attachment, this is the one leg attachment, second leg attachment, and this is the arm attachment. You can see the inflation. You can see the quality of the product. Now I will tell you about the display panel. There are 6 modes in this device, while other models in the market is having 3 modes, up to 3 modes, but our device is having 6 different modes. And this is 4-chamber model. We also having the 8-chamber too. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers mean the sleeve is equally divided into 4 filling chambers. Like you can see the arm sleeve. This is first chamber, this is second chamber, this is third chamber, this is 4. All the 4 chambers will be separately filled with the air and inflate and deflate. So that is the meaning of 4 chambers. In the 8-chamber model, there will be total 8 chambers. So you can see these are the 4 chambers. Currently I have selected the mode A, and I have selected the timer. I have selected the pressure as 150, and if I want to, if the patient is feeling the discomfort in any of the chamber, so he or doctor can switch off that chamber by just touching that panel. Like I have switched off the 4th chamber, and now 4 chambers will not be operational in the same. But when I switch on the same, it will be again operational. So you can select or deselect the same via this touch panel, also as well as with the remote control. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The button you will touch, that panel will, that chamber will go switched off. Like I am pressing 4. I am pressing third one. Now I will tell about the modes of the same. There are 6 modes in the same, A, B, C, D, E, F. Modes means like I am showing you the same. Modes means in the 4-chamber model, if I select the mode A, in mode A, if I select the mode A, then the same will go like that. First chamber will be inflated, rest will be deflated. Then second chamber will be inflated, rest will be deflated. Then third chamber will be inflated, rest will be deflated, and after that 4 chamber will get inflated and other will be deflated. Like in the mode B, first chamber will inflate, it will keep on inflating, and then second will also inflate, then third will also inflate. All the 4 chamber will be in inflated condition. So like this, there are different modes how the same chamber will inflate and deflate. You can see, according to the same mode can be selected. So modes of chamber are different from each other. Mode is means which chamber will inflate and which one will deflate according to the predetermined modes. And chamber means all the leg sleeves attachments are divided into air filling cavities. That means chamber. And also our model is having these leg extensions. You can see the leg extension looks like that. These are the leg extensions. When the size of the patient leg is bigger than the standard sleeves, like you can see that this is the standard sleeves. So if some patient comes with a leg size which is bigger than the standard one, then doctor or patient can add these extensions in the same. Doctor have to just zip the same. This is dual side zipping. So one side he has to zip the same and other side also zip the same. So the size of the extension other round will increase. This is the first pair and this is the second pair. So both the same can be used in a single leg. If the single leg is much bigger than second leg is normal, then both the same can be used. Or if both the legs are bigger, then one and one other can be used. So these are the extensions we are providing with the same for the leg sleeves, if the leg size is quite bigger in the size. And these are the connecting tubes. You can see these are the connecting tube for waist, these are the connecting tube for the arm, and this is the user manual. And you can see the quality of the material, and you can see the inflation over here. This